Hi everyone. In this video, I'll explain how to solve a quadratic equation using Excel. The standard form of the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We have standard solution for this. The roots of this equation is given by minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac the whole divided by 2a. So based on the value of b square minus 4ac, you have to decide whether roots are real, equal or imaginary. So I have written an equation here 2x square plus 4x minus 3 is equal to 0. So for that b square minus 4ac is coming as 40. Now we can find out the two different roots of the equation. One of the root is minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac is already here. So minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So that will give one root. Another root is minus b minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. I have written the equation here. I'll explain how to form this calculator. So if I change the equation, you will get the roots of that equation. Say if it's 5, so the roots will be calculated based on the equation. So you are getting the roots of the equation. Now let us form this calculator. I'll create a new page and then I'll format these cells with the size 22. So I'll get a bigger font here when I type. So I'll type the equation. I'll use a single quote here to enable to type the sign also for the value. 2x square. X square is I have to make it to superscript. So I can convert that into superscript. 2x square plus to get the plus value. I'll put a single quote here so that this will be treated as a text. While using the calculation, it will be converted into numbers. X minus 3, I'll use a single quote before, is equal to, so I need to again single quote here, equal to 0. So this is the equation 2x square plus 4x minus 3 is equal to 0. So I can change the values here. So this is your A and this B and C. So based on the values, when you change the values of A, B, C, you should get the root of the equation. So here I'll find out the value of B square minus 4AC. So B square minus 4AC. And type B square minus 4AC. I'll convert that into superscript. Okay. So this is B square minus 4AC. Now I should calculate the value. So this cell, the different color. Okay. I should get the B square minus 4AC value here. So you can type equal to B is here 5. So you select this B square. You can use the caret symbol square minus 4 star. A is 2. You select A into C. C is minus 3. Okay. So this will give the B square. B value is here in the cell E9 and A is in the cell C9 and C is in the cell G9. So that should calculate B square minus 4AC. Here I have used a single quote to convert into text. So it will be treated as a text, but when you use it in the calculation, the text will be converted into numbers. Why I use a single quote is this plus sign, otherwise it cannot be typed there. When you want a plus sign, it will not stay there without a single quote. The values can be plus or minus. That's why I used a single quote so that the cell will treat the value entered as a text. So this is the value of b square minus 4ac. I'll make it at the center. So b square minus 4ac we got. When it is positive value, you will get to 2 real roots. When it is negative, you will get imaginary roots. If it's 0, you will get equal roots. So based on the value of b square minus 4ac, we should decide. If it is greater than or equal to 0, you can calculate the roots. So I'll calculate the roots here, x1 and x2. I'll format these cells. Okay, I'll make this one subscript. Okay, I'll also make this x2 also 2 subscript. Okay, I'll put it as center. I need to get the value here, x1. To get the value, you can type the formula. The formula should be in such a way that you have to look at the value of b square minus 4ac. If it is positive or 0, you can go for the calculation of root. When it is 0, you will get equal roots. x1 and x2 will be equal, but still you can calculate the root using the same formula. But if it is negative, you should get a message the roots are imaginary. So that's what I'm going to do. So to decide, you should have a conditional statement. You have to check the sign of b square minus 4ac. For that, you can have a if function. So I'll use if function. You can calculate the first root like this, equal to if. You have to use the condition if based on the b square minus 4ac value, b square minus 4ac, that is k9, greater than or equal to 0, you can calculate the first root. So first root is, I'll put a bracket, minus b. Minus b means minus b value is here in the E9 cell, minus b plus square root of this b square minus 4ac. So you can type sqrt, square root of b square minus 4ac. You can select the K9 cell, b square minus 4ac, that is square root of k9, bracket you can close, divided by 2 multiplied by a. A is in the cell C9. If k9 is b square minus 4ac. In the cell k9, b square minus 4ac value is there. If k9 is greater than or equal to 0, you will calculate minus e9. That is, minus e9 is minus b plus square root of k9, that is square root of b square minus 4ac, divided by 2 into a. A is c9. Else, if it's not true, you should display roots imaginary. I'll put imaginary. So now you are getting the root as 0.5. Okay. Now similarly, this formula you can copy and you need to only change the sign. So I'll just copy it. I'll put the formula here. I need to change minus e9, this e9 minus e9 minus, so that is minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Only sign you need to change for second root. So we are getting 0.5 and minus 3. So when x is 0.5, 0.5 means here you will get 0.5 square, 0.25. 0.25 into 2 is 0.5. And x is 0.5, you get 2.5. 0.5 plus 2.5, you get 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. Then x2 is minus 3. When minus 3 square is 9. 9 into 2, 18. 18 plus, when it is minus 3, 5 into minus 3 is minus 15. So 18 minus 15, you will get 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. So our solution is 0.5 and 3. Suppose it's minus 5. So you are getting a different solution. Or if it is 2, you will get the roots. So like this, you can change the values and you can solve the equation. So here you are getting the roots of the equation. So this way you can find out the root of the quadratic equation in Excel. We have used an if condition to check the value of b square minus 4ac. Suppose b square minus 4ac is negative. So let us put a plus sign here. B square minus 4ac is negative. You get the message roots are imaginary. So the value should be positive. Positive means you will get a real root. If it's negative, then roots are imaginary. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching.